Kikerdeng jong candidate kiba yo merit list haka Bachelor of Art. Bachelor of Art examination May 2023 honors in anthropology. Provisional merit list. Personia Kharumnuit, Morning Star College Shillong, Walushati Sangma, Tura Christian College, Babam Tagu, Shirpi College, Jasmina Begum, Women's College, Kajuli Swargiari, Women's College, Trami K Sangma, Tura Christian College, Sebika Debarma, Women's College, Roypan Kanglom, Women's College, Evan Sarad Khar, Women's College, Permisha Khongwar, Morning Star College. Then Bachelor of Art examination, honors in Assamese, provisional merit list. Shuhana Mejebin, Kasi Azaman College, New Bahadbari, Mahfuza Khatun, Kazi Azaman College, Regshona Khatun, Kazi Zaman College, Kon Banani Hajong, Kazi and Zaman College, Zindi Sharma, Ampati Degree College, Zolima Begum, Kazi Zaman College, Parul Begum, Kazi Zaman College, Kazi and Zaman College, New Bahadbari. That is for Assamese, honors in Assamese. Is honors in economic, provisional merit list with their rank. Number 1, Jui Bhuyan, St. Anthony College. Second, Riti Shari Khan, St. Anthony College. Third, Raphael Jason Lingdo Nonglai, St. Anthony College. Fourth, Dani Aku, Ledikin College. 5, Ethan Lingdo, St. Edmund College. 6, Sapi Bahun Nongrum, St. Anthony College. Tiami S. Mumin. 7, Loyola College, William Nagar. Napiban Betlinkoy. 8, St. Anthony College. 9, Adorable Trisha Lingdo, St. Anthony College. 10, Hunmon Mukim, St. Anthony College. Kibun na St. Anthony College yung economics. Then honors in education, provisional merit list. Number 1, Dim China G. Mumin, Loyola College, William Nagar. Second, Juliana Sangma, St. Mary's College, Shillong. Third, Pretisha Mary Riatam, St. Mary College, Shillong. And Hill Kingston M. Marak from Phukan Memorial College, Dalu. This is in third position. Then fourth, Janubel G. Mumin, Loyola College, William Nagar. John Lian Ming Thanga. Fifth, St. Anthony College Extension is Zenja Hill. Lajeng Hun Sumer. 6, St. Mary College. Ruth Biang Dor Marbanyang. 7, St. Mary College. Kelida Sumer. 8, St. Mary College. 9, Adi Paul Kurba from Ribhoy College. And 10, Sangita Nasri from Shirpi College in education. No? Then honors in English, professional merit list. First, Simran Barbhuya, Ledikin College. Second, Yai Phabi Sarangthem, Ledikin College. Third, Tenya G. Momin, Loyola College, William Nagar, Bunbhanapur Loyola College. Fourth, Diya Acharya, Ledikin College. Fifth, Santana Gogoi, Ledikin College. 6, Claudius H. Mumin, Don Bosco College, Tura. 7, Rab Leonard Marbanyang, St. Edmund College. Then 8, Ati Talchi Armarak from Loyola College, William Nagar. And Keshika Lama from St. Anthony College, Shillong. 9, Rabinita Aribam from Ledikin College. Deitilin Kharthangmao. 10 from Women's College, Shillong. That is honors in English. Honors in Garo, provisional merit list. First, Chinge B. Marak, Loyola College. Grixil Chi R. Sangma, 2nd, Loyola College. Tintin M. Marak, 3rd, Loyola College. 4th, Kasame N. Sangma and Lochi Sangma from Loyola College, William Nagar. 5th, Simita D. Marak, Loyola College. Marbani M. Mumin from Shillong College. Aisha R. Marak from Loyola College. And 8, Chiname M. Sangma and Sengrim Chi Ji Mumin from Loyola College, William Nagar. And 9, Elisha T. Sangma, Loyola College. Jagrigra Lulu Sangma from Loyola College. And Nick Sera Armarak from Mendipathar College, Mendipathar. This is rank 10. Then honors in geography merit list. First, Arkinepde, St. Mary's College, Shillong. Second, Nishtha Devi from St. Mary College, Shillong. And N. Bishal Singha from UCC, Union Christian College, Umyam Kwan. Then third, Vanessa Joycelyn Karpuli, St. Mary's College. Fourth, Remi Kawalang from Synod College, Shillong. Then 5th, Payabas Kemkar Kongor and Evangeline Myrom from Synod College. 6. Adia Mupra Adia Mukhim, St. Edmunds College. 7. Pradesh de Burma, Don Bosco College Dura. 8. Adrenaline Dingdo, Synod College Shillong. 9. Meyalam Bahar Datiang, Synod College Shillong. And 10. Ananya Bhattacharjee from St. Edmunds College Shillong. This is honors in geography. Honors in Hindi. First, Yuvraj Singh, Buddha Banu Saraswati College Shillong, BBS. Second, Deepshika Saikia from Shillong College. Third, Bante Bor Dingdo from Buddha Banu Saraswati College Shillong. Fourth, Achal Sinha from Shillong College Shillong. Fifth, Sharon Khasanti from Shillong College Shillong. Sixth, Salang Jamatia from Umshirpi College Shillong. 7. Megha Ray from Shillong College Shillong. 8. Sangeeta Chetri, Shillong College. And 9. Nel Badona Karnayor from Shillong College. There is honors in Hindi. Hidon Khasiru. Then honors in history. First, Bhargav Kumar Sharma, St. Edmund College. Second, Sanjukta Barwa and Bala Shinna Dona Nongse from St. Edmund and St. Anthony College. Third, Joye Chakraborty from St. Edmund College. Fourth, Leah Catherine, St. Edmund College. Fifth, Jessica Satulangpui Sailo from St. Anthony College. And 6. Laetitia Shona Simli, St. Edmund College. 7. Yalambha Jaswan Bamon from St. Edmund College. 8. Founder L. Lauren Yang from St. Anthony College. 9. Mustafisa Nasnin Hazarika from St. Edmund College. And 10. Hage Sumpi from St. Edmund College. And then honors in Khasi. First, Mazel Christy Nongkenri from St. Edmund College. Second, Usefulness Thongnirit from JJM Nichols Roy College Shillong. Third, Rijanai Mwankar from St. Mary College. Fourth, Yakmen Khongji from St. Edmund College. Fifth, Kemen Shisha Thongni from Sankordep College. 6. Karin Kurba from St. Mary College. 7. Ban Ap Lang Nong Spung from St. Edmund College. 8. Medina Simli from St. Edmund College. 9. Mightyful Mukim from St. Mary College. And number 10, Iba Dahun Karinki from St. Edmund College. And then honors in Nepali provisional merit list Kidantang Sangut. First, Yamuna Rekmi from BBS Buddha Banu Saraswati College. Second, Kiran Suba and Deepa Subedi from BBS. And third, Jivan Sharma from BBS. And then honors in philosophy professional merit list. First, Suraj Jha from Shillong College. Second, Lucy Mary Lingdo from St. Mary's College. Third, Juvi A. Yepthomi from Ledikin College. Fourth, Dakman Shisha Nongkanri from St. Anthony College. Fifth, Bentilo Semi from St. Anthony College. Sixth, Puja Shahi from St. Mary's College. 7. Alok Ranjan from Union Christian College Umyam Kwan. 8. Shantika Deb from St. Anthony College. 9. Gideon Rambai from St. Anthony College. And 10. Malcolmson Milim from St. Anthony College Shillong. Then honors in political science. First, Man Hakani Pasa, St. Edmund College. Sani Notang Chadamarak, second from St. Edmund College. Alitia Hassel Karmalong, third, St. Edmund College. Fourth, Stacy Ann Karngap Kenta, St. Edmund College. Rebecca Lalun Siami Chakchuak, St. Edmund College. 6. Lalaung Pui, St. Edmund College. 7. Neng Joachim Kipjen, St. Edmund College. 8. Liang Salsai Sasa Hau Kip, St. Edmund College. 9. Sanghamitra Kashyap from Ledikin College. And 10. Pin Ishisha Wanyang from Nongstoin College, Nongstoin. And honors in sociology, professional merit list. First, Lalta Swali Wankal from St. Mary's College. Second, Danarngut Chelsea and Chavanyang and Dikshita Phukan from St. Edmund College, both are from St. Edmund College. Third, Amrita Talukdar, St. Edmund College. Fourth, Jin Lenial Chongtu, St. Edmund College. Fifth, Ayushmi Kashyap from St. Edmund College. 6. Wongpi Soyorlin Ningshen from Northeast Adventist College, Jowai. And 7. Kidon Langut, Saryo Sasun, Wanri Kintihun Walang, and Wanlal Ding Heti. 2 from St. Edmund College and 1 from St. Mary's College, Shillong. Then 8. Afia Sahin Bora from St. Edmund College. 9. Venantius Simply from St. Anthony College. Extension is Gentile. 10. Piken Lun Lal from St. Edmund College. And honors in statistics. First, Hilary Kanti Khongji from Shillong College. Second, Ruchika Ghosh from St. Anthony College. Third, Hari Lanong and Bianisa W. Moment from Sangkoring College and St. Anthony College Shillong. Fourth, Dayahun Lang Kenter from St. Anthony College Shillong. Fifth, Lal Lun Maui from St. Anthony College Shillong. Sixth, Chandamita Dutta Barwa from St. Anthony College. 7. John Dutta from St. Anthony College. 8. Larry Im from St. Anthony College. 9. Obed Benaya Jerwa from Shillong College, Shillong. And 10. Betshisha Kurba from Shillong College, Shillong. The Marok you dominate Higi St. Anthony and St. Amon and from Garo region. So, thank you, College 1.